first class. So anyway, okay, let me check with the online team. Can anyone please confirm from online? Am I audible? Let me change charge to everyone also. Okay. Yes, thanks for your response. Okay, guys. So this is first day, right? I'm not going to inject much stuff in your minds. First, we need to understand why we are here. Okay. What is DevOps? Why DevOps? You already joined my previous new joiner. You are AWS student, huh? Okay. Okay. So what is DevOps? Why DevOps play a key role in IT industry, first of all? Okay. Everyone is not only for non-IT guys. Come. Many people, even though if you are having a 6 years of experience in IT industry, 7 years of experience in IT industry, they are also migrating their skill to to DevOps. Okay. So DevOps will not only for developers, not only for testers, not only for admin team, not only for operation team. DevOps is for everyone nowadays. Okay. So video is not coming. You want to see my video? Okay. I think screen. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Okay. So why DevOps more popular in IT industry? First, we need to understand first before jump onto the what is DevOps. Okay. So if you go any IT company, in any project, now any project in IT company, without DevOps guy, yeah, I got it. I had to join. Yeah. I'll come to that. I'll come to that, guys. Don't worry. I'll come to that. All your questions. What is DevSecOps? Okay. What is the prerequisites? Everything I will discuss. Don't worry. Okay. I will take care of that. So why DevOps more popular in IT industry? The reason is if you go in any IT company, any project without DevOps, there is no any project. Okay. The power of automation. The reason is power of automation. So yes, good things are there, bad things are there. Bad things means if there is a project, if 10 people are working in that project, now 5 persons work DevOps guy will do. So replace with one DevOps. Task as a DevOps engineer. Again, the power of automation. Clear? So I'll come to that. Wait. Okay, many persons are asking prerequisite, right? For this course, especially my training, not required any prerequisites. Not required any prerequisites, even though I'm going to teach what is server from the what is server. And very important thing is this course duration is 3 to 3.5 months. Okay. I'm going to give one bold statement to you. No, sir, I joined for your training. I need to complete 45 days, 50 days. So this is not right place for you. Clear? You have to dedicatedly work 3 months at least. Okay, for 3 months. Non-ITs, career gap students, IT students, whatnot, any degree students eligible for this course. Okay. Good thing is, I'm not only teaching DevOps, I'm going to start first AWS. Sorry. Okay. So definitely DevOps engineer must and you have to learn must and should any cloud. Say AWS, Azure, GCP. Why AWS? So that's what we can discuss in coming classes. Why only AWS? So the market share, if you can see, so I will show you in the Google only. So AWS market share, if you can see here, this is latest report. Okay. Okay. Small example. Why DevOps with AWS? If you can see the market share, 32%, right? Compared to other clouds. Market share more means what? More projects, right? More projects means what? More openings. Clear? This is very clear understanding. So no need to explain AWS is giving something, AWS is doing something. It's not required. That is later stories. First understanding, we need openings, boss. That's it. I need job, right or not? That's it. Okay. And very, very good thing is, if you are taking training from me, you can handle AWS job role also. You can apply directly. So I'm showing the example. My batch started, my previous batch, present running batch. When the batch started? December? December 20. Now we are in January 31st. We haven't entered DevOps till now. The reason? It's been 45 days, right? It's been 45 days. We used to teach AWS, used to teach Linux, then jump to DevOps. I'm not trainer to start directly Git, directly Jenkins. It's not like that, guys. So that's what I'm giving bold statement. This is for everyone. Non-ITs, career gap, any degrees. If you are trying to switch from your one platform to other platform in the IT, so this is for eligible for everyone. Is this clear? Anyone has any doubts? Okay. Definitely 3.5 months or 4 months, 3 months, we have to spend time for DevOps. DevOps is not a easy task to learn in 30 days to complete to join in the job, right? If it is like that, many people can go and join in IT industry. Whoever dedicatedly do 4 months, those students only success in that. Okay, not easy task. Okay, why DevOps? First of all, so many tools are there in the market. So many tools, sir. Without coding, I can go Power BI. Without coding, I can go some monitoring tools. Without coding, I can go for testing. Yes, you can go, but later you have to learn any software, so more popular software to enhance your skills, increase your profile to get more pay, right? So as we know, in the present market trend, highest pay skill in the market is DevOps. Everyone knows that. If you go on any IT industry, if you touch any IT industry guy, what I need to learn? First word is DevOps. They are saying, right? You can learn DevOps, learn DevOps, learn DevOps. The openings are like that. Okay. Definitely, if you're strong in DevOps, you will get a calls like a hotcakes in the market. Okay. So every day, at least you will get a 3 calls. The power of DevOps. Okay. So leave for the calls and something first where we are. We are ready. Then only think for calls. Without doing the task, without doing hard work. If you many people are thinking at this time, sir, do we have a calls on DevOps? First, are you ready? Then you think. You guys are saying DevOps are the more popular in the IT industry. Then learn first. Yes, you are right. You are in the right place. You are choosing as a right path as a DevOps career. Then start your work and think for calls. Right or not? I'm not asking you guys to spend like a group to whoever preparing group 1, group 2, group 1, group 2, they are spend their time for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years to get a job. We don't know even the openings are coming or not. But we are the examples in the IT industries. We are so many openings. 5 lakhs people are working, 10 lakhs people are working in Hyderabad. So it's not a big task to crack a job and interview. Okay. So what I need from you, dedication. Okay. Dedication, hard work for 3 or 4 months. Don't force me to complete in 2 months. This is requesting to everyone. Yeah. This is requesting to everyone. Sir, my brother is saying they are giving to give some reference to me. So can you please complete the course? I need to join there. These will not work in this. You have to wait for 3.5 months. Please take my guidance. Definitely will get a job. Okay, proofs are there. Many people are already joining the jobs, doing the jobs with my training only. They have managed 4 years experience gap. So I'm saying to everyone, you can show your experience 4 years on the paper with this training. Okay, this clear? Minimum 3 to 4 years career gap. You can show as a DevOps experience. Like that, I will take you in that level. So when I say this point, it is not easy. So saying the tools, giving the theory content, you will not get in that level. When you will reach in that level, once we do some projects, like real-time projects, right? Real-time projects. So in this training, we are planning for minimum 5 projects. When I say projects, na sir, this is not like one tool, other tool configuration. Projects is nothing but handle the situation in different configuration ways. Okay. See, if you can go Google, if you can go YouTube, so many projects are there configuring the one tool to other tool. No, when situation will come, how DevOps as a engineer, how you can handle the situation in that level, we can do the projects here. Okay. So, okay, these are all the stories. If you have any questions, you can ask me, but better to wait for half an hour. Let me introduce myself so that we can discuss one by one. Okay. Okay. Anyway, my name is Veera Babu. People can address me like a Veera. I have total 10 years of work experience in IT industry. So I used to give training on AWS Analytics, DevOps, and Power BI also. Okay. So till now I have worked many companies. If you can see, I work with Oracle, Wipro, Uber, and Apple also. Present company, I'm going to discuss in later anyway. So my expertise is AWS, DevOps, ETL, Big Data, RDS, MySQL, Python, Azure migrations. And roles, what I role till now, I handle that cloud architect, migration analyst, and DevOps engineer. Certification, I have cleared AWS Cloud Professional and DevOps Terraform and EKS and Ansible and Jenkins also. Okay. Okay, I have trained 1,000+ people already placed, so many people, whoever work with me for 4 months, 5 months, or 3 months, like that, they have already cleared their jobs and cleared their interviews that they're already doing jobs. Okay, this is my profile. So the mode of training. So I'm going to explain now. This is 4 months duration or 3.5 months duration. Depends on the holidays, it will come, maybe it will extend. Even unfortunately, my previous batch, yesterday is the last batch, yesterday is the last class I done. That is, it took 4.5 months. The reason is the year end is so many holidays are there, December holidays, January holidays. That's the reason it's got extended to 15 days to that. So 4 months, you can stick on 4 months or 3.5 months. Every day is 1.5 hour. First, we can understand theory of the tool and practical accordingly. Doubts are, sir, you are not enabling audio. You are not enabling audio. How can I ask the doubts, sir? This is the first question I can understand from, I can get from you online students. Offline, they can hear here, they can ask any doubts. I don't have any problem. From the online, how can I ask my doubts, sir? We are 100+, 150+, or 120+. So you will never feel like that environment. I will not create. If you can check previous students, if you can see, if I enable audio, I don't have any issues, right? May you will feel different. Many people are talking, may your concentration is diverted. So my entire training like a spoon feeding, you never feel like, sir, you are missing something. It's not like that. We are a DevOps engineer. Even though I'm spending 1 month time for AWS content, the reason is prerequisite. Without AWS, if I can directly go jump na, many trainers, they are giving training after DevOps AWS. No use, 0% use. See, we are doing everything in the AWS environment, but we are learning AWS after DevOps. Is there any use? That's what prerequisite. First, we need to understand networks. What is server? Excuse me. What is server? How it will work? Why we need to create a cloud? Why we need to work with cloud? Before DevOps, we need to understand these things. What is high availability? Why we need to learn things? Why we need to configure the things? For this, definitely it will take 1 month time, guys. As I said, no prerequisites required. That's what I'm taking 1 month time to get you guys into the speed to understand DevOps. Directly, if I go start Git, this is not at all correct. This is not at all correct. Okay, is this clear? Okay, so sir, can full stack Java students can enroll in this course? Guys, I'm saying non-IT students are eligible means in your case, it is very easy, right? Career gap students are easy means in your case, it's very easy, right? Then why you are thinking? Okay, okay, okay. Let me complete. The mode of training still pending, right? So we are learning theory and jump to practical. So how you are going to share your notes, how you are going to clear my doubts. If I skip your questions, there is a platform Telegram. I'm going to create one Telegram group. I'm going to add you guys in that. If you can see, just proof. I'm not going to miss even one message also. One message. If you can see here. You can talk to me one-to-one. You can ask me one-to-one. You can anytime. I will give my response, even late night, early morning also. Anyway. Okay. Early morning and also late night. So I'm not going to skip even one message. If you want to talk to me, yes, you can call me. If you want to, whatever, sir, I stuck somewhere. Can you help me? Yes, we can connect and do it the lab. Here, in this case, in this platform, maybe in the Zoom platform, I'm unable to connect you to do clear your doubt. The reason is many people are there, right? We should not divert their minds if I enable your audio. Now you will get a chance to talk to me individually or group level if you stuck somewhere. Is this clear, everyone? Yeah. So notes and something, right? Okay, I will show you something to you now. This is class work drive, guys. In this, I'm going to share. So these are the batches. DevOps 9 AM batch recently done. DevOps AWS just morning before you it's going on. AWS placement batch all done. Come to class work 9 AM. So here I'm going to add everything here. This is not running notes, guys. This is your document what you need to follow after this class, after these sessions, enter training from the scratch. Okay, what is Kubernetes? The picture format. You can easily understand everything after the training. You have to follow this document for your reference. Next, sir, interview questions. So I don't have an issue to share interview questions. So I can share my interview questions also. Everything. So the thing is, interview questions, guys, don't stick on any interview questions. So no one will follow question and answers for pattern in interviews. You have to say what you did in your past. You have to update that into your resumes. You need to call out your roles and responsibilities in your interview. From the responsibilities, from that resume only, they are going to start ask the questions. Sir, I have completed one project with Jenkins with Terraform. I have deployed few resources by using Terraform. If you say that, questions will come from there. What is Terraform? No one will ask. Okay, what you did in your project. Can you explain me once? So you need to explain your project, what you did in that. In that, they will ask the questions. So without access, without giving credential, how you are going to access? So if you are showing your script in Terraform script, how you can configure the resources? It is a 2 resource. If it is a 3 resources, how you are going to handle? Like these questions will come. No one will ask question and answers patterns. Leave for that. Even though no sir, I required means I will share it. I have enough stuff with me. So till now I have given 100 plus, given 100+ interviews. So I have noted everything, every interview question in my bucket list. If required, I will share you. I don't have an issue. Okay, you can just go through that interview questions. You can understand what type of questions we'll get in the interviews. Maybe we'll get some clarity that I will share that, no problem. This is just for materials like what Terraform Q&A interview question. So we can update here everything. Once done the Git, I'm going to share Git material. Parallelly, see, I'm going to, so parallelly, I'm going to add the regular content, what we are going to teach every day. So I'm going to add. So yesterday we have done IAM. So IAM nodes. So DevOps engineers, I'm going to do training for, I'm giving training for AWS also. So this is the nodes, running nodes. This is running nodes. Parallelly, I will update actual content material of IAM also. Okay. Yeah. So this is the thing. After done the course, I'm going to take mock interviews. If you are mock interviews, you can come and attend directly and online. And after this course, we are going to conduct a one test. If you clear the test, whoever shortlist the candidates, especially freshers, I mean, experienced guys, they can do easily. So we are going to give a one platform, interviews platform. They are going to, I mean, from this batch, maybe Naresh is thinking to give some approach like interviews. So many companies there can come, whoever clear the rounds, we can push the candidates to that companies. You have to prove there also. It's not like engaging the job directly. You have to prove there. Okay. This is the concept. Along with that, you have a one more. I will come to that. One more advantage. That is what? So here, dedicated mentors are there. When I say mentors, mentor support will provide you. You can come any time to institute. You can sit third floor, morning to evening, you can do the lab. Sir, I'm the non-IT guy, sir. It's very difficult to handle the tasks. No problem. You can come, sit with mentors. They will help you. They're already trained mentors, DevOps trained mentors, cloud trained mentors. You can sit with them, complete your tasks. Same thing online students also. We can share the links every day to your registered mail IDs. You can log in with that links. You can connect to mentors. You can complete your labs. Sir, you are saying mentors. What about you? See, I'm saying after giving training, after showing lab, still if you have a doubts, you don't feel means SAR is not going to give labs stuff. That's what they are saying. Support for mentors. This is not like that, guys. This is additional feature. I'm saying that. Even though what I'm saying, you will never get chance to go to ask your doubt to mentors. I will take care of everything. If you have any doubts, check with your team's DevOps present team and complete a task. Whoever completed the DevOps team, you can check with my training. You never feel like something pending in this task. You will complete everything. That's what I can give you. Okay. This is the story about training. Now you can ask any questions. I'm going to check your chart and offline also. Offline, you can raise your hand. You can ask any question. Online also. Online, don't raise your hand. It's very difficult to check 178 members, whoever raised the hand. You can ping in the chart. I will check every message without skipping even. Okay. Okay. Voice is not, I'm not enabled, guys. Sorry. Sir, I can offline. Yes, you can come. Who stop you? Here already 30 members are there. 31% is going to head, right? Sir, is DevOps same as DevSecOps? Sir, both are same. In between, some sec is there. Na? I'm going to add two tools for sec. That's it. Same DevOps process. Next. Sir, when 7:30 AM batch will start? Already started. If you are okay with the cloud, you can join DevOps directly. 7:30 AM, I haven't started DevOps. Cloud only done. We are going to enter 7:30 AM batch. I think Thursday onwards, I'm going to enter DevOps. It's been 1 month already. Sir, I can handle AWS. I can directly join DevOps. You can come and join 7:30 AM batch also. Where is the location, Amirpet? You can type in Google, you will get it. I don't know exactly this location is what. Sir, what you can do with the strength, Ganesh? Sir, total class strength. Okay. Sir, outside for beginners, DevOps chances are very less. They are ask experience, so it's very difficult to will you provide placements after this course. Devi, I can't give any assurance for this to placement. You have to prove yourself, right? If you have a career gap, that I can give some assurance. You can show your experience as a 3 or 4 years with my training. No, sir, I have completed 2023, right? So I'm looking for a job. See, if you are complete 2023, this is not for apply only DevOps. It's apply for any I know course in the IT industry. You have to wait some time. You have to check yourself where the openings are. See, every experienced guy started their career as a fresher, right? So you need to think like that positive way. Okay, don't depend on other. Definitely. See, okay, let me show something. Morning, I got a message from my student. For best example, okay, best example. Morning, I got a message. Night, I think morning. Arun Tej. I attend interview today and clear all 3 rounds. Message I came yesterday at 7:09 p.m. Immediately responded. Only HR round pending. He's a fresher, right? I'm not giving any placement. I don't know who is even. He ping me, I given my response to them. Just example yesterday I have happened that thing. So first understand your things, complete the training, do hard work, then we can think for calls and something. This is not for only DevOps for freshers. This is for every IT skill. Freshers difficult to get a job. Means so you guys are saying DevOps is a hot kick in the market, then why can't we start with the DevOps as a freshers? Then right, instead of all other courses. That's what I can give a assurance. Anyway, next question. Having career gap of 4 years, Diyoshri, having career gap of 4 years as a prepare for civil service, initially worked in IT for 2 years. Yes, you can show your experience as a 6 years. How? 2 years already you have worked, right? So these 4 years, you are wasted time with the civil services. You can show these 4 years as a DevOps engineer. Sir, is it possible? I will take care of that. Remember my word, mark my word. After complete the course, you only say that, sir. Yes, you are right. Okay. I joined little bit late in this training. Only DevOps or DevOps with A. This is DevOps with AWS. We'll teach AWS first 25 days. Then we can jump to DevOps. I'm a .NET developer. I don't have Python knowledge. I can shift to DevOps. See, once again, I'm saying non-IT students are eligible for DevOps means in your case, it's very easy. 2020, no, don't treat it as a fresher. You can treat it as an experienced guy. Like 2024, you are uploading means we have to show your experience 4 years in my projects. Companies, you have to show that. DevOps have scope. Yes, scope. Can I get your number? What you will do with my number? Yes, I'm okay. If you are okay, means I'm going to show the content what I'm going to teach. Once again, saying AWS and DevOps class timing. This is DevOps class. Timings is 9 to 10:30. 9 to 10:30. Okay. AWS batch yet to start. So I don't have actually the time to take AWS training. They are planning for weekends. If you are going to take AWS training separately. I'm non-IT person. I'm also non-IT person. I'm triple E guy. Okay. So Shravan. Hi sir, good morning. I'm Java developer planning to switch profile. See, developers, why they are trying to learn DevOps, the power of DevOps tool. Why? Highest pay in the market. If you are in the project already, if you want to switch your project to DevOps, why? To get a more pay, more scope in the IT industry, right? I might be feel you will never feel like a overburden. That's what I'm giving time for 4 months. I'm not hurry to complete 45 days. Hey, Git complete in 2 days. Hey, Jenkins complete in 3 days. It is not like that, guys. Understand it, guys. 15 tools are there in the market for DevOps. 15 tools. If it is a 45 duration, is it possible to complete each tool in 3 days? Kubernetes, understand the Kubernetes, it will take 3 days time. To complete the Kubernetes, for me, it will take 20 days. Once again, I'm saying that I'm not going to teach professional level. I mean, professional level in the sense, if I complete Kubernetes now, 80% means complete. Not 100%. You don't assume 100% completion. Okay. The reason is many trainers are saying, I will complete 100. This is wrong. If I complete each to 100%, it will take 1 year time. But you can easily do your task with my training as a 4 years experience guy. Means what? What I know, 80%, I can give my stuff to you. So remaining 20%, I don't have any issue to give you. Yes. Yeah. Remaining 20% also, I'm okay to give you, but the course is extended to 6 months. Okay. So with my Kubernetes training, you no need to take any Kubernetes separate training. I can give this assurance. Is this fine? I mean, if you are complete DevOps training now, again, people go and join separately Kubernetes course, separately Terraform course to more exposure in that. So not required. I can give that assurance. No need to go join any further training on the Kubernetes, Docker, Terraform, Jenkins. I will give 80 plus stuff. Remaining 20, you can easily manage. Okay. Okay. So let me jump to content, guys. Please, I will check the messages. Give me 15 minutes time to check your messages. So course content. Yes. So overview of the DevOps first. We can start overview of the DevOps. After overview of the DevOps, I can start virtualization. Here before Linux, I will start AWS. Okay. And after Linux, we can jump to, after cloud computing services, we can jump to Git and shell scripting. Okay. So after that, we can start some server configurations. After that, we can go Git. To come here, it will take 1 month time. So since, as I'm saying, not required for any prerequisites, I need 1 month time from you to get speed into your DevOps. So this 1 month, I will take care of to, get you guys into the same page. So after 1 month, you guys are all same. No non-ITs, no ITs. Completely all are in same page here. After this place, after this 1 month. Here, everyone same for me. No non-IT sounds, no career gap sounds, no IT sounds, all are same from this Git. So I will take care of this month to make you guys are all same into the one page. Clear? Yeah. So Git stuff. So next Maven, next SonarQube, next Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Grafana, Ansible, Terraform, and Python basics, Boto 3 and labs and interviews. This is the content. So this is not a sequence, but content is the same. First, after Git, I'm going to start Terraform. The reason is we have spent our time for 1 month for AWS Cloud. Terraform tool is to depends on your AWS services or cloud services. If you are learning Terraform means we have to be understand cloud first. What is Terraform tool? Terraform tool, using Terraform tool, we are creating a cloud environment, cloud services. So before that, you have a knowledge on cloud services, right? If I go directly jump Terraform, you need to focus 2 things. How to write a Terraform script, how to understand cloud services. That's what before we covered cloud services. Then your focus is on only Terraform, not for cloud. How to write Terraform script. That's it. Not for parallel thinkings. Before we have completed already cloud, right? We just focus on Terraform script. Like that way. Okay. So after done, many people can ask, sir, what are the projects? See, these are the projects. Let me show you. Okay. Before that, is cloud important for DevOps engineer? Okay. Many people having so many questions. Your brothers, colleagues are saying, no, directly go to DevOps. First, don't listen any other words. This is the first important thing to start in a new career. I'm taking DevOps training. Is it good? If that guy is not possible, means he's trying to push you into that same level. Yes, not it's very difficult. But both are not same, right? That guy is not taking training from me. Can understand? Simply can say that. Okay. Definitely, we are doing DevOps all activities in cloud only. Boss, you are configuring Jenkins now. You are configuring Kubernetes. You are configuring Docker. All are in cloud. In that case, definitely you need to understand what is cloud, right? Right or not? You are working with EKS. You are working with Jenkins. You are working with Lambda. Whatever services, definitely you need to understand cloud. Even very good thing is I'm going to teach Lambda also. AWS Lambda. It's a very advanced service with Jenkins. First project is doing from the Terraform. Why? We already completed AWS before, right? So that's what by using AWS services, by configure with Terraform, we can complete one project first. Terraform with cloud. Believe my words, guys. You can update resume after this project. I mean, after 2 months. The reason is there are lot of openings AWS plus Terraform only. No need to learn Jenkins. No need to learn Kubernetes. No need to learn Docker, sir. After done your training, sir, it's very difficult to manage all these things. Then you can strong Terraform. You can crack your job. Terraform with AWS. Present, I'm doing my project only Terraform with AWS. Nothing is there. Present project, 6 months duration project. So you are also fit in that project, right? In that project, there is no scope of Kubernetes. There is no scope of Docker. You are learning all the tools. It doesn't mean we'll get a chance to work all tools. Okay, be ready with the tools. That's what. This project definitely help you to only AWS Terraform to get a job. I will show you the proof. Wait. Next. This is sample monolithic project. Monolithic. I will tell you what is monolithic and microservice coming to that classes. So just simply we can run the one application, Maven application, Java code by using Maven. We can deploy in one server. We can give this access to customers. They can access your code. If it is a whatever Flipkart application, IRCTC, whatever it is. In this project, there is no any microservices. Is this clear? So till here, we are good in monolithic approach, how to take application, hold into AWS EC2 instance, we can give access till here. With Terraform, we can do it. Next project is, we'll enter microservices. What is Docker? If you can see here, in this project, missing is what? Docker, Kubernetes. Without Docker, Kubernetes, how project looks like? With Docker, Kubernetes, what are the changes we observe? So we can do one project by using Docker Kubernetes. Not only one project, guys. I'm showing you here like a just architecture. We can do so many projects. Next, after done, we got a clarity. What is monolithic? What is microservice? Next, we can do a big project to update all those things. Okay. If you can see here, there are some new tools. If you observe that, those are new tools. These are Argo CD, Trivi. These are not providing any training if you can go anywhere. They will directly get to Kubernetes. They will come. But it's not like that. Nowadays, many companies are asking Argo CD experience. This is very, very, very easy. Don't think so. Oh my God, this is advanced service. It's very difficult. No. I will take care of that. Argo CD. Argo CD is for direct deployment tool for Kubernetes. It's a Kubernetes tool. Kubernetes is saying, till now you are using Jenkins tool, right? Jenkins is the CI/CD tool. Just I will explain everything. Till now you are using configure with this guy, right? Leave this guy for deployment. Use this guy for only integration. But deployment, use my tool. Kubernetes is saying the world now. Use this tool. Don't depend on the CD tool as a Jenkins. Use Jenkins as a CI tool. CD tool, we are not getting much features for deploy your application on Kubernetes. If you are deploy your application through the Argo CD, definitely you will feel the difference. They are saying in the market now. That's what we can learn Argo CD. Trivi. Many people are saying, sir, what is DevSecOps? These tools will come to Give security to your application. That's called DevSecOps. Sec means security. So we are going to add some security tool inside your pipeline flow. That is called DevSecOps. Clear? These are the projects. Anyway, these are the stuff. So now if you have any questions, again, you can ask me so that we can jump to what is DevOps, why DevOps. Okay? Yeah. Anyone has any questions on the, why you guys are not asking any questions offline team? All are fine? Can I consider you guys are fine? Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, let me check the chart now. Azure and GCP. One more thing, guys. The question is coming from Vivo Mobile. Anyway, guys, please change your name. It's very difficult to Vivo, Samsung, Apple, right? Change with your names. Guys, small example. This guy is asking Azure GCP. What about Azure GCP? Guys, you are using same mobile entire life? No, right? I'm using Apple now. Before Samsung. Taking the pics are same. The mode of taking the pics all are same, but enabling the camera approach is different. Apple, right? If you are inside, if you are going inside, you know how to take the camera pics, right? Right or not? If I give open my camera to you, you don't know how to operate Apple, but you are in the camera page. You can click it, right? Same Samsung, but all our mobiles, all are same approach. The different is what? Approach. That action approach. For Mac, I can shortcut to open camera. Samsung, different means you can't say, I don't know how to take a camera pics, right? You can say, I know how to take a pics. Open your camera page into your mobile. I can take it. Means what? You know the skill, but you don't know how to go inside, right? Same Azure GCP. If you know how to create AWS, Azure for you will take 1 week time to complete entire Azure. If you are done in AWS. Simple example. Let me share my screen. I will share, right? AWS, where is the placements batch? Okay. So come to here. So many messages. Okay. See this difference. If you done these services now, same services are there in Azure. Same services are there in Google. Leave it for Oracle. See, what is the difference? I'm calling in AWS EC2 as a server. Server on premises, we are calling server, right? In AWS, we are not calling server. We are calling EC2 instance. In Azure, virtual machine. In GCP, compute engine. But the configuration steps all are same. I mean, you don't think Azure VM will work without OS. Is it possible? Is it possible Azure VM will work without OS? Is it possible Apple mobile will work without OS? No. Every mobile having OS, every mobile having hardware, every mobile having security features, but difference is approach. Same thing. If you are done AWS na, for this, if it will take 1 month na, for this, it will take 5 days. The reason is you know configurations. The mode of approach you can understand. No need to learn what is hardware again. You know the concept. You need to understand where the hardware is in Azure. That's it. Clear? Yeah. Okay. Come to here now. So these are the project stuff. Now, if you have any questions on the training curation, I mean prerequisites, projects, interview questions, material. If you have any questions, offline. Anyone has any questions? Offline, you are clear? Okay, let me check on online. Sir, I'm full stack. Again, this full stack is coming every time. Sir, I'm full stack. Java students in the DevSecOps is mentioned, not a DevOps. So, guys. DevOps is, if you consider 100%, na, DevSecOps, you need to add 2%. That's it only. See, if you can see this project, see, this is the, in this project, I can say this is DevSecOps. How can I say? There is a security tool in this, Trivy Sonar. If there is no Sonar Trivy, let's come this one more project. This is okay. This is you can consider DevOps if this two is not there. DevSecOps is nothing but entire DevOps only. Two or one additional future tool is add in between dev and operation. That is called DevSecOps. There is no separate training for DevSecOps. In the 100%, 98% DevOps means 2% security. Okay, there is no separate training for DevSecOps. In that case, you can understand this is DevSecOps. Okay, is it fine? This is DevSecOps. For your understanding, for your satisfaction. Okay. Can you show your LinkedIn profile? What you will do with that here? I'm using Vera code in my current project. See, this guy is saying, yes, you are right. He is using Vera code. We can use different. See, again, same number of tools are there in the market. No need to learn each tool again and again. The concept you are if you understand the concept is same for every tool. Again, the approach is different. Vera code is this what? Security tool. We can use the Sonar Cube. Same approach. CI/CD. Okay. We are learning Jenkins. Why? Jenkins is the most popular tool in the CI/CD. But we have so many CI/CD tools, 10 plus CI/CD tools. Why we are learning Jenkins? Most of the projects they are using Jenkins. We can't cover all tools, right? Each and every tool. Again, tool plus tool, it will become 100 plus tools. It's very difficult. 100%. I will give time to write something to you. I'm not, no, worry for this. This batch is not for full stack Java students. Please contact full stack. Guys, this is not full stack training. This is DevOps training. I think your question is, I'm the full stack developer. Am I eligible for this training? If it is a question means answer is yes. If your question is this full stack developer? This is not full stack developer. Course start date tomorrow. I think you can assume course started today. Is this 100% placement program? We are not going to show any placements, guys. We are giving our stuff to you. You can 9 to 10:30. Timing, sir. Sorry, Tejas, I missed your question. Can you please? It's very helpful to me. Check your. Can you please repost your Tejas, your question? Admin contact. He is the admin. Srikanth is there in this group already. He is sending messages. Srikanth. So you can contact him. In DevOps, AWS also will cover. So that's what I'm saying now. It will take 1 month time to reach DevOps. So that we will start first AWS, then go to DevOps. Fees you can contact to Srikanth. Course duration is 3.5 to 4 months. Tejas, what is your doubt? See, hi Srikanth. He is the admin. Srikanth N.I.T is the admin. Save his contact. If you have any questions on fee, something others, you can contact him. Batch already started. Today is the first class. It is coding part, not required for that much. You can easily handle that coding part for DevOps. Clear all doubts? Shall we start now? Okay. Tejas, I missed your question. Can you post your question here? Sir, present. Guys, please be patient for 3 days, okay? Many people are joining as a demo classes, right? These 3 classes, maybe in this case, we can clear their doubts for spending more time. Once we batch fix, we can start talk only content. Understand? Yeah, this is not finalized, right? Many people are joined to understand the demos. Once demos got completed, I'm going to create a Telegram group, classroom it to our conversation, communication. Okay? Yeah. My experience. Okay. This is my experience. I have a 10 plus years of work experience, Mahesh. Okay. This is my experience. If you are able to handle Anish, you can join morning 7:30 a.m. also. DevOps at to start 7:30 a.m. We have completed cloud. I think coming 2 days, we can start in DevOps. We are entering into the DevOps content. Are you providing interview opportunity? You can consider if you are good, definitely I will give reference. Okay, best example. Again, you guys need anything on the paper, everything, right? So he's the Sachin. He's a wonderful guy. He's completed everything. See, he's asking reference. Ask him to resume. Once he done the resume, I will give the reference. Like that, it will work out. But this is not mandatory. It's a you have to whatever the things you complete first, then you can ask to us, sir, I'm strong in this area. Can you provide any reference? Like that, 100% it will work out. Since I give so many training, I give so many training to give students, right? They are already placed, right? I can check with them to help you. Like that, we can do it. But it's not a mandate, sir. You are saying at that time you will give you opportunities, or you are not giving. This is not correct. That's what I can say. This is help. Yeah. This is fully coding now. This is not fully coding now. Okay, guys. Let me jump. At least we need to understand what is DevOps first. Then we can again answer your questions. The one word is no prerequisites for this course. I can take you from zero. Okay, how network will work, how operating system will work. We can start from there. This question this answer you can save in your minds. That's it. Anyway, what is DevOps? First, this is first content I'm going to discuss. Okay, let me open my paint also. Okay, same statement I'm going to copy for your better understanding. Okay. So many persons are saying, okay, can you share your thoughts? What is DevOps? Anyone in chat also you can give what is DevOps. You can share your experience to us. I'm checking your messages. So I will write here. So that I will write here. Okay, just leave it, guys. Leave it, guys. For the fee structure, something we have a dedicated demo sessions for 3, 4, 5 days. Anyway, 7:30 a.m. class, DevOps batch already started. It's been 1 month. But in that class, DevOps content we haven't entered. Only cloud part got done. If you are able to handle that, you can join, you can continue with that batch. I'm saying that. No, sir, I need to learn AWS also, that you can join AWS plus DevOps. Hmm? Hmm. Anand, this guy, Anand Kumar. It's called, okay, 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 guys. What is DevOps? First, we need to understand what is DevOps. Okay, then we can move how the life cycle will work for DevOps. What are the things required? Everything we can discuss. Okay, tell me, guys, what is DevOps? Anyone from offline? Yes. Okay, your name? Okay, Lakshman is saying that DevOps is a collaboration between some configuration of some tools. Indirectly, they are saying. Yes, he is the right. Anyone? Any others? DevOps is a tool to provide CA and manage to cloud server. Somewhat answer is correct. DevOps is a process to deploy the changes in production continuous in environment incremental way. Yes, this is correct. Is the one process of building the application and easy process. Yes, there's the right. Okay. We are getting many answers, right? So this is my answer. It is a culture. DevOps is a culture that you can adopt for continuous improvement and allow to work developer team and operation team together without any gaps. Before understand this content, we can understand from the scratch. Let me go for new slide. Okay. See, guys, one customer is coming to you. One customer is there. He's asking to you, can you develop one project? So what project you are what project you are requesting? My business is some vegetables or some class business. Can you develop, okay, some class business, guys. Can you develop one website for us? So customers can buy the class using that website. Okay, examples we have Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, so many tools, right? So many applications, right? Okay. So this guy is requesting to us, okay, we can develop the application. Eh, We can develop the application. So guys, understand it. Please don't think anything. First, what we need to do? First step is what? We need to understand. We need to understand requirements, right or not? Why? If you are not understanding requirement, may you will give different output, right or not? This is very, very important as a software engineer. May in your case also, in your project, your manager allow you to communicate with your client. The first step is what client is looking. You need to understand. Don't try to say to client, this is, we can do like this, we can do. No, no. He is not ready to listen your words, what you know. As a we are giving support to client, right? We need to understand what he's looking. Now this guy is saying, so I need the background this color. I need the users can access like this way. I need if they anyone purchase the class, immediately I need a notification. Something, so many things are there. We are noted all those things. Okay. So we are noted all those things. So we need to understand the requirement, noted all those things. Noted all requirements. Noted all requirements. Okay. Now, next team. I mean, I have noted all the requirements, guys. Next, what I need to do? We need to start the work as per the client requirement. So immediately I need to prepare a one design document, right? Design document. So, okay. So the first will come the planning team. Planning team. Okay. Planning team will understand, okay, these are the requirements client is looking. They're asking us to implement one project site website, so that these are related to some the backend. We need to write a some code. The backend we need to give some configurations. We need to provide some security monitoring, something we have discussed in the planning team. So they come to know, planning team, they come to know, yes, this project is required this budget finally. So finalize some budget. As per the budget, finalize some what team. How many teams required for this project? We have to decide, right? We need to, no need to deploy 100 people, right? So as per the requirement, as per the planning team understanding, we need so and so budget, so and so budget, and 6 members in a team. Is this clear? Okay. Immediately HR team will try to give the profiles to team. These 6 members, you are looking this project. Yes, please don't raise any hands. Let me complete so that we can ask. I will take your questions. Okay. So immediately, okay, finalize the 6 members. So, okay, I can understand. Immediately the next team and a HR team parallelly will work. HR team to deploy 6 members to fit this role, right? And one more team will come into the picture. That team is called design team. So planning team approach to design team. Hey, design team, this is the budget. This is the budget. These are the requirements from the client. Can you design one document and architecture? Okay. The proposal architecture. It's not for 100% this is fixed. Proposal just we can change later. At least some skeleton. Okay. Design team immediately prepared some design document. Some design document. Okay, some prepared some design document, and after that publish to team. So again, planning term, say, hey, planning term, this is the design document and architecture. So skills are required. These are the architecture. So skills required to the whoever you are going to recruit that person having knowledge on AWS, that person having knowledge on coding, something some they are discussed, finalize the something. Next, they have recruited 6 members in a team. 6 members. The first two numbers you can consider as a developers. Developers immediately what they need to do? Start the code. Start the code. Okay. Yes. Developer writes a code. So if you can see here, okay. If you can see here, let's go here in the Flipkart or any website. I'm not saying Flipkart only, any website. So if you can see, many things are running in the backend of the Flipkart. So they need to write a code to view the groceries, mobile, fashion, something. And they need to provide login details. Whoever click on the login, we are able to give details. So keep all those things in their mind. They need to write a code. Clear? Okay. So code is ready. For example, code is ready. Partially ready. Code is partially ready. Code is partially ready. Okay. So code is partially ready means I need something to host this code, right? Right or not? Guys, you are playing PUBG, right? You are playing PUBG. You are using Instagram. Here, Instagram is an application. How you are going to use? Application, how you are going to use? How you are going to play PUBG? By using device, mobile or laptop. Means what? We need some server. We need some device which it works like a server. So in PUBG also, some developer already created, they have hosted one server. That's the reason you are connecting that server, you are accessing by your mobile. Clear? So developers are completed code here, right? So if I want to give this application access to public, they need to host in any device which work like a server. Right or not? So definitely I need a one server. Guys, we can discuss what is server, why we need to play everything in the coming classes. To understand you guys were for very high level for DevOps, how it will work. So I'm going to show you here. Okay. Sir, in between so many stages are there. Now, yes, it will come. The tomorrow class, I will explain each and everything once we get some idea about how it will work in the IT industry. Okay. So I need to host some server. This code, I need to host some server. So this application name is some example.com. Example.com. So these are Claude's business website. My website is example.com. So I have implemented example.com back in the code. I have pushed into my server. So here, example.com. This is clear. Now, if you are going to give access to public, what you will do? You can give to public access this server. See, if you are using flipkart.com, right? In this case, Flipkart is here. You are accessing Flipkart. I'm accessing Flipkart means the request is go to Flipkart server and again response getting back to my laptop. But who developed the Flipkart? It's not our cup of tea, right? Someone already developed these stages given to you. Hey, Flipkart is running your server. You can use it. Means the backend things, how it will work the backend. It is not our scope, right? As a user, we are accessing Flipkart. We are purchasing the clause. We are doing something in that. But the Flipkart application running in one server, right? Any one server. Yes, in the real time, it's not one server, multiple servers or Docker, something we can discuss in coming classes. But the understanding of very single line diagram. So this application running in one server. So for example, I'm accessing www.flipkart.com. Immediately the response will go to Flipkart server. I'm getting back to Flipkart page. Means this server is running in one server. So this application running in one server. Who updated this application, this server? Yes. This application completed by developers. But who updated here? That's where DevOps will come into the picture. Hey, developers are saying, my job got done, boss. People are not accessing your application. What you are doing? Right? So immediately client will ask you, what's happening? My end is done. Developers are, my end is done. Everything is good. But I don't know the reason why they are unable to host this application to server. So here, operation team will come into the picture. Operation team. So operation team, what they need to do? Operation team, once code completed from the code implementation completed from the developers, operation team take this code from them, take this code from them developers and host it into one server. Clear? Clear? Listen, guys, listen carefully. Clear? See here, developers, operation team, both teams are involving. Developers write a code. See, write a code means the code is partial development. So today some code implementation, tomorrow something. So we should not wait for complete all the code in one time, right? See, for example, if Flipkart is there, they are also not completed in one time for in a single time. First, they have implemented groceries. We'll check it is working or not. Next, mobiles they have added in the snippet. Next, home furniture, like that, like that, like that. So here, every implementation developers are saying to operation, yes, you can take the code, it's working fine. Operation team collect and host into your servers. If something is wrong here, two dependencies are there here, developers, operations. So who definitely client will ask both persons, hey, what happened? Customers are unable to access Flipkart. Immediately developers are saying, okay, there is some bug, I'm doing that. If his part done, my part is clear. My end is nothing is issue. Immediately operation team saying that. So my end is also nothing is there, everything is gone. But where the mistake is? Confusions, miscommunications raised again. Sir, is this really only two stages? Is there any other stages? Again, so many stages are coming. Why? See, we should not give this code directly into the server. We have to test it first, right? How can I believe this guy? I'm the developer. I can say definitely my code is not bad, right? I can say my code is always good. I'm the developing the code, right? So definitely one more team coming to the picture, they will ask, can you give your code? I will test it. We are dedicatedly here for test your code only. My job is for only test. Okay. So your job is only for test means you have to give certificate, right? Code is working or not as per the client requirement. Yes, you have to give the certificate. So one more layer is coming here, testing team. Okay. Next, okay, testing team is involved now. So guys, okay, testing team done the testing. Operation team hosts the application, now working your application, for example. Who will monitor this one? Definitely dedicated one system is there to monitor your resources. What is the capacity of the server? I mean, many people are going to access your server. Okay, many people are going to access your server. The server is able to withstand with these requests or not. Our server is reached to some saturation level. I mean, reached to max level. Immediately we need to create one more server, one more server, one more server. Like that, we have to do it, right? For that, before we need to implement some monitoring system, right or not? Again, one more system is coming, monitoring system. Monitoring system. Okay. Okay. After monitor this system, one server is not fine. We need to create 2 more, 3 more servers. They are saying that your server already busy with existing request. Your website more popular now. In your thought, maybe can access 100 people, but your example.com more popular now. Many people are accessing. Immediately what you need? Add servers. Parallel, right? Again, to add servers means we need one more team. Infrastructure team to provide infrastructure. Clear or not? Again, infrastructure team. Again, infrastructure team to create servers, multiple servers to give access, right? Same application, multiple servers. So infra will take from monitoring and create a multiple servers. So here testing team, operation team, monitoring team, infra team, then we can host the application to server. So here one more team is there. At this time is not correct. May you confuse, that is a build team. We can discuss tomorrow class in detail. So guys, if you can see here, many actions are there here. Many stages are there. Test, operation, monitor, infra. Then we can host the application, right? So here so many issues are coming from developer and operation end. Hey, your code is working in your laptop maybe, but that code is not working in servers. Can you check your end? No. I have already tested. My end also working, but my end is everything is common. So there is a miscommunication. Indirectly, what we are doing, we are delaying the things here. Same example, I'm giving one more example. Now your website is running, guys. You have implemented example.com. Now it's running like a Flipkart. Travels, some issue is there. Customers is unable to access travel. Customers is unable to access travel. Immediately client is approach you, see some issues there in travels. Can you fix it immediately? Okay. Developer will come, do some modifications, whatever things, it is going to update the code. But can we directly host this code in the server? No, right? We need to test team. We need to, some more team is there, build team is there, operation team, monitor team, everything they need to check and they release the code into here. So definitely many hands are involving means definitely delays there are not. Delays there are not. One-to-one contact always good to clear issues. If you are saying to your friend is going to saying to other friend, that friend is going to say other friend, but what you are saying, that is completely different. The reason is so many stages you are involving miscommunication, but output is delaying here. So this guy is saying, this guy is saying, this guy is saying, this guy is saying, after they have released the application, but offer is today only. Offer is today only. You are released the application tomorrow. Is there any use? Immediately that persons are go and purchase from other website. So why Flipkart, Amazon more popular, guys? 24/7 is available, right? Do you feel any time Flipkart is under maintenance? Google is under maintenance? These are high availabilities. Sir, what is high availability? We can discuss in coming classes. Okay. So why these sites are more popular? The reason is high availability. You can purchase from anywhere, anytime, right or not? That's what. Why? The backend DevOps lifecycle is working for all websites. So this is not DevOps lifecycle. This is just manual approach. Now DevOps will come into the picture. DevOps will come into the picture. These are all stages. I will take care. Clear? DevOps is nothing but monitoring. DevOps is nothing but testing. DevOps is nothing but infra. DevOps is nothing but operation. DevOps is nothing but security. Now DevOps is nothing but everything. Without security, release this application to outside? No. Without security, someone can access. No. Security you have to fix. Monitoring, testing, operation, infra, everything is related to DevOps. Clear? So can I say now, okay, you are saying now, okay, you are saying implement this concept with DevOps. Okay. So my DevOps lifecycle, how I need to orchestrate my lifecycle, So tomorrow there is a dedicated session for DevOps lifecycle. dedicated end-to-end session, DevOps lifecycle, how it will work. This is for just understanding IT project. But tomorrow class, you will get 100% clarity how DevOps lifecycle will work. Clear? Okay. See how we need to orchestrate, some bug is there in this application, right? Immediately, your developers fix that issue here. Immediately, your DevOps lifecycle come into the picture, take this code, update here. So no other teams. Clear? So DevOps person source is what? Your developer's output as a source. Developer output means nothing but what client is looking. So that you need to verify in terms of security, in terms of monitoring, in terms of whatnot, so many things. You have to give your all the stages in your life cycle to give the response to your application to release to your customers. How you need to provide a life cycle? If something has any changes in your developers end, your life cycle has to trigger, has to take care and send it here without any manual interruptions. Even you don't know what's going in the backend. You have to create the orchestration like that. If you're not available today, even though your DevOps orchestration, it's not depends on you. Whenever developers do some changes, your life cycle has to take care to release that application immediately. Release the application immediately to your server, to clients. Is this clear? So if anyone asks me what is DevOps, I can say one word answer is early release. Agreed or not? Why early release? No other teams, no involvement, only DevOps involvement. Your pipeline has to take care everything from the developers team. Early release, right? If you are involving multiple team, definitely delay is there. But I need early release always, right? If some issue is there, immediately. So if the Flipkart unexpected some issues rise, even though we are ready to clear the issue as early as possible, right? So in that case, early release, it will help. Your DevOps lifecycle will work. Next, good monitoring system, right? Good monitoring system is required, right? If you are not monitoring means you don't know what's going on in your application, right? You don't know what's going on in your application. It's a early alert. Hey, your server reach max, your application number of users are hitting, increase, so that your monitoring system will say that metrics in terms of metrics, your server reach that level. So be careful. Next, security. Many people are asking, sir, what is DevSecOps? Security, in terms of security, we need to improve our application security. Vulnerabilities, we should not allow outers to access your hackers, access your application. That you have to take care as a DevOps engineer. So in terms of security, you have to take care, right? Next, infra operations. Yes, your Terraform has come into the picture to create infrastructure. Infra operation, you have to take care, right? See, these many things, early release, monitoring system, and high availability. Always it should be available. So many things. So you have to take care here. See, release application is not, yes. Interviews. Okay, do one thing. You can schedule tomorrow. How many students are there? 7 students. Ask them to prepare well. Okay. Ask them to prepare well. Take the inputs from the whoever completed the interviews. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow time 7:30 is fine. Evening. Morning is not possible. I'm busy. Evening 7:30 to 9:30. Okay. Ask them to come with the resumes. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, guys. So if you can see here, DevOps is nothing but early release, right? So yes, we should not expect any issue in your architecture. If even though issue will raise, your architecture has to handle that issue. Like that, you have to handle that. Clear? So security, infra, everything has to take a DevOps. So DevOps, now you can see, read this sentence. It's a culture that you can adapt, that can adopt your continuous improvement and allow work developers team and operation team work together. Now you have created an environment to clear so many gaps. If dev doing something, next operation. So you are engaging work together. Your life cycle is continuously working DevOps, dev operation. You are create an environment like a DevOps. See, if you can see this architecture, dev operation, both are working individually. So after done their work, they are hand of this work, they're taking some work, they're doing some delays. So your life cycle combine both actions. Clear? This is just for understanding what is, but we can move in very depth tomorrow. Each stage we can explain what is continuous integration, what is continuous deployment, what is everything we can go in depth. Okay, so I'm going to like this way. What is plan, develop, build, test, release, deploy, operate, monitor, everything we can discuss. Where the tools coming in this build, which tool is coming each stage, we can discuss in detail tomorrow class. Okay, guys. So that's all for today. Now you can ask any questions if you have, so that I will answer your questions. Yes, if you can see this project in real time, as I shown you in the past. This is real time project. Where is that? Sorry, here. Yeah. So if you can see, developers push the code. So from here to here, you have to take care. This is your life cycle. Before you have to configure all the tools. Whenever developer push the code into GitHub, your pipeline trigger and do this Maven job, do this Honor job, do this Docker job, do this Trivy job, do this manifesto file report job, do this Argo CD job, deploy into Kubernetes. No manual involvement in this cycle. So our first primary goal is we have to hand our project to client like a baby. Means what? You should not create any confusions to him. You have to create a project as easy as possible. So one click project done. Like that you have to give. You have to think in that level. Hey client, first click one button. Wait 5 minutes. Click second button. If you wait 4 months, now come to first button. If you're giving like this, definitely no clients are showing interest with work with you. Hey client, this is the project. Click one button. Everything is going to done. Magic of the DevOps. Definitely he will like you, right? His job is very easy, right? His job is very easy. That is DevOps. Clear now? Okay, guys, this is just for understanding of DevOps. What is DevOps? Anyway, tomorrow we are going to learn in very depth. You will get a clarity if you are missing anything that. Okay. The reason I'm not getting much time to explain, so many questions I have answered. So tomorrow I'm dedicatedly work for DevOps lifecycle. Okay. Any questions I missed, guys? Sir, I'm BTech final year student. If I fail in subject, will the effort for getting why you are thinking for you if you fail? Definitely you will pass. I'm saying that. You will pass. Okay. If you fail also, no problem. The reason is many people are working even there. They have done the BTech 6 years instead of 4 years. So, sir, is this class is free for full stack Java? Okay. Akash, what is your question? Guys, did I miss anything? What is UAT, SIT, DIT development? Okay, guys. Tomorrow, you will get all these answers. See, these are testing phases, guys. If you are going, just I have mentioned testing team, right? Testing teams are different testings. Okay, user acceptance test means client has to accept your test. I mean, client has to green signal. Yes, this is okay to me. That is user acceptance. Okay, we can discuss tomorrow class. In this cycle, where can we use AWS? Okay, very good question. Very good question, seriously. This server is what? AWS server. Okay, this server is what? AWS server. Okay, anyway, tomorrow I'll take care of this. Don't worry. So tomorrow, each and every stage where which tool is coming to the picture, we can discuss. If I say all these things, may you confuse. Working pressure depends on your package. If you go 60 lakh, 70 lakh, definitely pressure will be there. Okay. This is DevOps course only. I'm going to teach AWS also. Okay. Don't confuse. Sir, this is AWS or DevOps. This is both DevOps with AWS. Okay. Where you are going to upload today's, I'm not going to upload today video. I mean, regarding videos, there is a separate process. Talk to Srikanth. You will get all videos for first 6 demos free of cost. I'm just giving, guys, it's my personal interest. I take mock interviews also. If you're interested, you can. So present all one person came and asked, right? I take interviews for AWS and DevOps students. Complete your wish. It's a complete real-time interviews. If you clear my interview, definitely you can clear outside of interviews. That much I can give the, sir, my number is, yeah, fancy number here. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope I cleared all the questions. See, guys, don't confuse DevSecOps, DevOps all are same. Okay. Okay, guys, for your Akash, for your satisfaction, I will change the heading. DevSecOps batch. This is okay. DevSecOps plus AWS. Again, AWS. Yes, sir. These AWS. Both. DevSecOps plus AWS. Are you fine now? Yeah. Hi, Srikanth. Okay. Srikanth, can you share your contact one more time? Let me. Okay, this is not right. Let me. Wait. I'll send. I'm going to send Srikanth number here. Wait. Where is Srikanth? Srikanth. Okay, note down his number. Guys, please message him. Don't call directly. Yeah? 630-9665. Okay, Srikanth. So he also sent the name. Okay, anyway. Sorry. Okay, please contact 730 number, guys. I think this is office number. Don't contact this number. Sorry. By mistake, I have shared here personal number. Please contact 730-2968. Sorry, why AWS? Tomorrow I will show you why AWS. See, to deploy your application server required, right? So that server AWS will provide. That's it, simple. No, I'm not going to cover Azure DevOps. This is completely different. Azure DevOps is. Podman is just environment to run your commands, guys, like Linux environment, container. This is just third-party tools. Okay, the free of cost they are giving. Clear, guys, all questions? If you are clear, just give CC in the chat so that we can finish the session. I need response at least from everyone. If you are clear. I need response from everyone. Definitely, you will enjoy the tomorrow class. Definitely, you will enjoy the tomorrow class. Tomorrow class, definitely. Will you provide in like, yes, you can come. You can contact me. I will provide the facility to mock interviews. Dinesh. Telegram contact. Yes, I'm going to. My doubt is not clear. What is your doubt, Anant? Please. Anant, what is your doubt? Sorry for that. I miss your doubt. Coding knowledge not required. Just few basics are fine. Not required. Yes, Anant Kumar. These are different test environments. User acceptance and inside test. These are different environments only. Okay. See, when I said testing team, I told you, right? Testing team. These are 3 type of test environments. Okay. These are 3 type of test environment. I mean, when I say UAT, User has to test your application, not you. You are inside team. For example, Wipro is doing project to Apple. Apple also need to test your test environment, right? How they can believe you, your words. So in the terms of testing, we have a different stages. User has to test, in your team has to test, and manager has to test. They were different stages, but the agenda is to test. That's it, Anant. Okay, guys. Okay, chalo. We can wrap up this call today. So tomorrow, same time. So join that. Definitely will enjoy the class for tomorrow. I will show you what is DevSecOps also in the tomorrow class. Okay. See you guys. Bye.